Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to create video VFX or visual effects with AI. These free AI tools have changed VFX forever, and these videos are just a simple demonstration of its abilities, and there are a lot of creative things that you can do using this AI. Let's explore the capabilities of these AI tools. Let's get started. Now, how can we achieve the results that you saw in the beginning of this video, like turning anybody into an alien or a monster or whatever thing you want? So for that, you have to follow a few steps. So first of all, you have to select your source video. So in my case, this is gonna be my source video. And in the next step, we have to remove this subject from this video. And for that, we're gonna use Runway ML. Well, don't worry about that. It's not gonna cost you anything. We can try a few things for free. And now we have all of the video tools that Runway ML is offering. So we have to select the in-painting option. Now just upload your source video. So in my case, I already uploaded my video. I'm gonna simply drag and drop here. So after some kind of processing, it's ready to use. So on the right side, you can see we have two options, include and exclude. You can even increase or decrease the brush size. So select the include option and adjust the brush size accordingly. Now simply paint your main subject. Okay, so after a few seconds, our main subject has been removed from this video. So if I play this video, you can see our character has been removed. Once you're done, click on the export button. And to find your file, click go to export. And here, you can see all of your exported files. Now just download your file and we're done. In the next step, we have to create a similar character. And for that, just open your source video and take a screenshot of a still frame where you think that the character is fully visible. Once done, go to the Lens Go AI. This is also a free AI tool. And from here, select the Create Image option. So now in the prompt box, just upload your screenshot that we have taken from the video. It will be used as a reference image. Now in the prompt section, you can type whatever you want to create. So in my case, this will be a blue bald alien woman and hit create. Now these are the output images. You can select any of them. So I would like to go with this one. Then hit the download button. Now the next step is to capture the motion. For this step, we're going to use Viggle AI. So search on Viggle.ai and you will be redirected to this page. Now click on join our Discord. Click accept invite. Wait for it. Now they have like 3 questions for you, so just answer it or click on skip. Click finish. So once we're on the Discord server, on the left side, you can see we have some servers. So select any of them. Let's say I'm gonna go with Animate 4. And these are some demonstration videos that people are generating right now. This AI tool offers you a lot of features, but in this particular video, we're only going to focus on their main feature, which is the mix feature, because this is something really impressive. And type /mix. And now in the image section, we have to upload our alien image that we have just created. In the video section, you have to upload your main original source video. In the background section, select green screen. Hit enter. Now here is the output. Wow, you can see it captured the exact same motion from our original video. And this is very crazy because just look at the movement and emotion, how accurate it actually is. Now we're almost done, so simply download your video. Next step is to just combine these videos together. And for that, you can use any of your favorite video editor. In my case, I'm using CapCut because it's not only free, but it's also available on all devices like Android, iOS, and desktop. So it makes it very easy and convenient. To start, import your inpainted file and your Viggle AI file. So I've already imported both of them. Just import your inpainted file in the timeline first, and then your Viggle AI video file. And just drag your green screen video on the top of our inpainted video. Now select your green screen video and click on the cutout. Select the chroma key, then select this color picker tool, and select the green color from the video. Move this strength slider and adjust this accordingly where you feel it looks perfect. So I think it looks good here. Now if I play this video, you can see our character has been replaced with this alien character. I know there are a few issues with this one, but this just to give you an idea how this thing works. Also, here are the couple fun effects that I've made in Runway ML. Floating objects and levitation did pretty good. I had to specifically prompt for the car to levitate upwards, otherwise it would drift around. This man blows green smoke rings, although as you can see it's not really perfect. There are no smoke rings, just green smoke, and you can see it just pops out from the right side. Next, leaves falls in the car. It kind of looks realistic with all of the leaves falling. Also, this green paint on the car, it looks weird and the paint just comes out of nowhere. Runway ML can do some really cool stuff, but be prepared to run your prompts a bunch of times to get the right videos. Also, the Viggle AI tool is totally free to use. This is in beta, and I don't know how long this will be free because this kind of technology can't be free. So make sure to test this AI. And that's it from this video. I hope you guys learned something new. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Vidscribe AI. Your business needs more high-quality traffic. Unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited. Rank on local language SRPs with subtitled and Redub videos in hundreds of languages, all with a click. Automatically subtitle any video in the language you choose. Automatically Redub voice-over videos in the language of your choice. Get local language captions, SRT for your videos for higher rankings. Transcribe, translate, and redub your videos in local languages with Vidscribe AI. Get highly accurate videos with best-in-class transcriptions, translations, and redubbing all done for you. Upload videos on auto to YouTube, to Facebook, and even to Instagram and Snapchat through Dropbox. Includes powerful training that shows you how to rank to the top with local languages, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Vidscribe AI now. Just go to vidscribe.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.